What's the meaning of book token? Book token. Book token.
Book token. Book token. A book token is a gift voucher that can be redeemed for books at a bookstore or online retailer. Book tokens are often given as gifts to encourage reading and support the book industry. The recipient can choose from a wide range of books, including fiction, nonfiction, children's books, and more. Book tokens are usually available in various denominations, and they can be used to purchase books or other items sold by the retailer. Many bookstores and online retailers offer book tokens, and they are a convenient and thoughtful gift for anyone who loves books.